Kenny got ball. Kenny got ball.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to install this beautiful iPad wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So with this wig, you can do a middle part or a side part, but I tried to do a middle part for this video. Also, you can install it without leaving out your hair. I'm going to show you that in the video, but I brought out a little bit of hair. If you want to leave out your hair, it has to be a very little portion right here where you just need to blend with the wig. And as you guys can see, it blends perfectly well with our faulty hair. I just use my hot comb out my hair and I'm good to go. So if you're wondering, this wig is from Ilikehair company. I'm going to put all the specs and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box below. And there's also a coupon code, so definitely check out the description box for the coupon code to save some money in case you want to get this wig. So without further ado, let's just get into the video.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So these are the accessories that came with the packaging. And also there's also a bonnet cap, which I think is really nice. So right here I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the U-part wig. So as you guys can see, the wig came with all these clip-ins, which I think is very good. So right here I'm going to clear my middle part properly. I just want to show you guys that you can actually install this wig without leaving out your hair, and also you can install it with a leave out as well, and also you can do a side pattern or a middle part, any part you want. And this is what it looks like after installing it without leaving out my hair. So right here I'm gonna bring like a little part of my hair out. Then I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig. So right here, I'm gonna use my hot comb to just comb my hair, like stretch it out a little bit. Then I'm gonna do like a middle part. So now I'm gonna go ahead and blend my hair with the wig. You guys can see that it blends perfectly well. So right here, I'm just trying to make the pattern clearer. And then I'm gonna brush my hair and then comb it. And yes guys, this is what it looks like, guys. You guys can see it looks absolutely beautiful. It looks so natural. I absolutely love it, and the wig is very soft and very nice. That's what it's going to be for this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.